It's really easy to create a free website, even when you know nothing about websites, the internet, or technology. Firstly, I assume you aren't planning to learn to code and create your website from scratch. This wouldn't be sensible because it would take months for you to be at a stage where you could create what you want. Plus, doing it this way isn't just about the technical side of things. You also need to be pretty good at design to make it look amazing. So the simple answer to create a website that's free and looks amazing is to use a website builder. A website builder is an online tool that you use to create a website yourself. It's a pretty straightforward process. Usually you choose a template as the basis of your website, add your content such as text and images, choose a domain name, that's the bit that starts with www, and then launch your website live on the internet. Most website builders have a free option. Some are free for a limited amount of time, meaning you have to pay at some point if you want to keep your website. This is usually 1 to 3 months after you launch. But some allow you to keep your website for as long as you want, without ever paying. So why do website builders offer a free website option? Firstly, they usually give you a free domain name. For example, Your Simple Site is a website builder. The free websites include a domain name in this format: www.yourchoiceofname.yoursps.com. This is called a subdomain, and it doesn't cost anything to register. If you wanted to use www.yourchoiceofname.com without the USPS bit, you wouldn't be able to have a free website because you'd have to pay to register the .com domain name. The next reason is that it's a risk-free way for you to try the website builder. Then, after seeing how good the website builder and the website are, you can choose to upgrade to a premium package and start paying. Another reason for website builders having a free option is that it's a great way for them to showcase their websites to others. The more traffic the free website gets, the more likely other people will see it. Some of them will possibly need a website, and it will lead to more users for the website builder. So this means that every website builder, I haven't found one that doesn't, will place a small advert on their free websites. This will state something like, "This website was created with X. Click here to create your website." This is an example of Your Simple Sites ad that's featured on their free websites. So that's the 3 main reasons why website builders have a free option. You'll get a subdomain name, you get to try before you buy, and you'll have a small ad displayed. Now let's go to how you actually create a website for free. There are quite a lot of website builders to choose from. A quick Google search will give you plenty of options that you can check out. But to give you an idea, I'm going to show you how to create a free website with Your Simple Sites website builder. And just so you know, Your Simple Sites free websites are free forever. There's no limited time period. We're going to walk through the whole process, step by step, to create this website, which is for a handyman business. But don't worry, it only takes a few minutes and it's really easy. Go to yoursimplesite.co.uk and click Create My Website. The first thing you do is choose the type of website you want. For example, if I have a window cleaning business, I choose the cleaning services category. If I'm a hairdresser, choose the health and beauty category. But as I'm a handyman, I'll choose the home and garden category, and this will take me to the template selection screen. If you're unsure which category to choose, you can always switch between categories using the drop-down menu, or select all to see every template that's available. Scroll through the templates to choose the one you want. Use the blue labels to help you. Here's the handyman template. Click on the View Full Size button to see how it will look as a website live on the internet. You can easily change anything on the template later if you want. Click this button to go back to the template selector. If you struggle to find a template for your business, there's this really neat feature that enables you to contact Your Simple Site and get a template created for your business type for free. You can also click here to start with a completely blank page, if you want, and create your website from scratch. But I want to use this template, so I'll click Use This One. This will take you to a simple online form where you add your content to your website. First you add your logo, if you have one, or enter your business name. Next you add a sentence about your business and where you're based. This is really important because it will tell people very clearly as soon as they visit your website who you are and what you do. Chances are, if they live in that area and they're looking for a handyman service, they'll be interested and keep reading. Then you enter some About Us text. This can include information like your history, when you were founded, and information about your staff, etc. You don't have to write too much here if you're struggling to think of information to include, because you can log in later and add more content and make changes. I have some text that I've taken from my Yell.com listing, so I'll simply paste that in. You could also use text from places like your brochures or Facebook business page, if you have one. Next, you add information about your services. Basically, this is all about the things you sell. Again, you can write as much as you want, or keep it short and add more later. I've taken my services text from my brochure, so I'll paste that information in here. Finally, I'll enter my phone number and street address so people can get in touch with me. And that's it. I've finished adding my content. If you want to add more content or make other changes to the template, you can click this link. You can add things like image galleries, videos, maps, links to your social media, and loads of other features. Plus, you can easily change your background image, your font, and your color schemes. But for now, I want to get my website live and then come back later to make changes. So I'll click Show Full Page Preview. This will show me the template I chose with the content I added into the form populated into my website. You'll notice there's a contact form on the website. This will send emails to the address you enter later when you create your account. Once you've reviewed your website, click on this button to go back to the form. Make any changes you want, and when you're happy, click Next Step. The next step is where you choose your domain name, and most importantly, select a free website. You'll see that the top option is I want a free website. Then all I do is enter the name I want. I suggest you use your business name. My business name is A1 Handyman, so I'll enter that and click Check Availability. I can see this name is available, and it'll be www.a1handyman.ursps.com. If your chosen name isn't available, try a few options. You can add the place you're based, for example, a1handymanleeds.ursps.com, or something else related to your business, for example, a1handymanservices.ursps.com. Below the free domain name option, you'll see the premium options. If you already own a domain name, you can connect that, or you can register a new domain name. For example, instead of a1handyman.ursps.com, you can register a1handyman.com, a1handyman.co.uk, or choose from loads of other domain name options. Once you've found an available free domain name, click Next Step and create your account. Enter your email address and set a password so you can log back in later to make changes and manage your account. Then click Publish, and in just a few seconds, your free forever website will be live on the internet, and you can start receiving visitors. Click this link to check it out. Your website is also mobile device optimized as standard, so you'll give all your visitors the best possible experience regardless of the device they're using. I hope you found this video useful. If you want more information on creating a website for your business, we've created this free detailed guide, 7 Steps to Website Success. It's the proven blueprint for creating a successful website for any type of small business. It walks you through everything you need to know and do to create a website the right way. But more importantly, it also tells you how to get loads of visitors, so you can flood your business with leads, enquiries, and customers. There's a link beneath this video to where you can download your copy.